Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. And we are on the 1 hour time frame. So this Fibonacci levels, the red Fibonacci levels you see on here from the daily time frame, and we're definitely going to be using these as areas of support on the way down. Now, I definitely would be recommending shorts. I think we're either in like a wave C or possibly a WXY to the downside on the daily time frame. The daily has turned down, the weekly has turned down, so I definitely would be recommending shorts, but I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right at the bottom of a move like this, right up against a Fibonacci level. So for me, either one or two things would have to happen. I would have to see price go up and break structure. If I see that, then I would throw my Fibonacci retracer on the last series of lower lows, lower highs. Then I would look for a three-way pullback at a Fibonacci level to go short. Otherwise, if it doesn't break this high right here, then any move up we see could just be a pullback to the last wave. So if we do get like a little pullback, a little three-way pullback, maybe on like the 15, 5-minute time frame, and then another lower high, then that potentially would be a sorting opportunity also. So we're definitely looking for shorts. We definitely need to see a pullback either to the whole last wave down or potentially just this last little leg of this wave down. Either way, definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.